As an artist, you want to be able to make an impact on people's lives. And through this company, what we've been able to do is have that impact on thousands upon thousands of people. My name is Philip Vinson. I am the CEO of Mobile Glass Blowing Studios. When we started, we decided that we should figure out how to make a little portable glass studio that could be affordable to have, affordable to operate, and wouldn't require very extensive infrastructure, so you could move it easily. We went from a 12 by 32 shop in my partner's backyard, and now we have a 7,000 square foot facility and 12 employees in 3 years. I'm no longer the designer, the draftsman, the fabricator. I'm pretty much the person who runs the company. Because of our equipment, people are thinking about things in a different way. They're realizing that you don't have to have the big shop if you're not ready for it. They've also realized you can take the glass to the people instead of trying to get the people to the glass. We are revolutionizing the art glass industry in the world. There's no doubt about it. From the very beginning, I knew that I needed decent drawings to communicate the geometries involved with the designs of the furnaces. So I was using a fairly inexpensive CAD program. It was only two-dimensional. As I moved further along, I would run into problems in the manufacturing, and it was very daunting to think I had to go back into that 2D software and fish around to try and even find what needed to get fixed. It was just such a waste of my time. So I knew I needed a change. I had used Solid Edge at a previous job, and I knew how powerful it was, and I knew that it could solve those problems for me. I came across the Solid Edge startup program, and I said, why not? Let's apply and give it a shot. And I was really thrilled when I was contacted, and it's made a tremendous impact in our manufacturing facility and our manufacturing abilities. One of the things that Solid Edge has allowed us to do is shave off a ton of time in the fabrication process. Not only by creating very effective means of communication through very precise and concise drawings, but also allowing us to examine the ways that we fabricate things and the ways that we can put things together. All that has resulted in dropping our lead time. We were at 12 to 16 weeks for a unit to go out, and now we're hovering around 10, which is huge. If your quality improves, your communication improves, the workplace environment improves. You have very happy workers. They know exactly what's expected of them because it's on a good set of drawings. Solid Edge has really allowed us to move forward and become a more professional company.